Do you want to connect your Samsung Smart Monitor to speakers? These are some JBL Go 3s, and this is how you do it. So first we're going to turn it on, then we're going to want to go to the menu. So that's these three lines right here. Go ahead and click that. If it's a different controller, different year model, just make sure you get to the settings. Then from settings, we're going to want to go to all settings. So we'll go ahead, click down, all settings. Then we're going to want to go to sound. From sound, you're going to go to sound output. So right now it says smart monitor speaker, which means that the sound is coming out of the monitor itself underneath and on the sides. And then go ahead and click that. So once we click that, then now this is when we want to turn this on. So then we're going to turn on the speakers. And then we're going to want to hit the Bluetooth right here, because right now it's connected. Hold it down. Okay, there we go. Now it's receiving, and it should pop up. If not, go to speaker list. Okay, there we go. So then we're going to go to JBL right here, Go 3, and it says it needs pairing. It's okay to have two different speakers paired at the same time. Okay, so pair and connect. Give it. Okay, now it says the JBL Go 3 is connected. So it's as simple as that, guys. And yeah, I hope this helps out. Please like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.